Section 1. Touch, step, sailor on the left, making a half turn left, sailor, step. Close the right beside the left. Cross the left over the right, making a quarter turn left. Step back on the right, making a quarter turn left. Step left to left side, making a quarter turn left. Cross right over. Section 2. Step left to left, drag to right, close right beside left, cross left over, step right to the side. Sailor on the left, left, sailor, sailor quarter turn on the right, right, sailor. Section 3. Step forward on the left with hips, forward, back, forward, touch. Rocking chair on the right, forward, recover, back, recover. Section 4. Rock, recover, making a half turn over your right shoulder, walk right, left. Kick your right, out, out, kick out, out. Step right in place, cross left over right, make a quarter turn right. Section 5. Touch your right, replace it, do 2 walks, left, right, left to side. Tap your right behind left, tap, step, weave to the right, behind side cross. Section 6. Side rock, cross shuffle, side rock left, recover, close your left beside your right, making a quarter turn left, walking back, right, left. Section 7. Back right, knee, pop, back left, heel twist. Make a quarter turn right, step, point your left, close your right beside your left, rock left to left side, recover. Section 8. Cross right over left, step left to left, cross right behind left, step left to left, cross right over left, make a quarter turn left, 2 taps, right, replace, left. No tags or restarts. Now let's go over the dance with the counts. Section 1. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Section 5. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 6. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Section 7. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Section 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Finish the dance with a touch. Thanks for watching.